4 suspects arrested in connection with that arson attack at Putco depots in Mpumalanga continue their bail application in the Mdutjana Magistrate's Court today. The group is accused of setting alight 51 Putco buses at various depots in the Nkangala area last month. Ziniko Mhlaba joins us now live from Mpumalanga. Ziniko, good morning. I think everyone took a collective gasp or made a collective gasp when they saw the extent of the damage on those bus depots. The police then acting to make these arrests, and we'll probably get to the bottom of why this happened. Initially, the speculation was that this had something to do with the taxis in those areas. Just tell us more about what we've been able to factually establish.
So, Iman, the latest developments as far as this particular case is concerned is that so far police have managed to arrest four individuals in relation to the incident you just spoke about, which took place here in Mpumalanga, specifically in 2 towns, which is Siabuswa and Mhlaba. And of course, if you remember that this incident took place just a day after a Gauteng incident where we saw Ria Vaya buses also being attacked back in Gauteng. So there has not been an establishment whether these 2 incidents are connected or not. However, here in Mpumalanga, it seems as if police are suspecting that there are many more people who might have been involved in this incident. And of course, the spokesperson of Mpumalanga did say that, well, the arrest of the latest 2 individuals is giving them some hope in that they will be able to extract some information from these 2 individuals who were arrested on Tuesday, made their first appearance yesterday here in Siabuswa. And of course, they'll be returning to court today. And of course, that's where now they will be explained and of course given information in regards to their legal representation. And we are expecting them to also then explain or inform the court whether they will be taking up legal aid services or they'll be having their own legal representatives. And of course, following that process, that's where now they'll be joined by 2 men who were initially arrested when this incident took place. And of course, this incident took place on the 28th of January this year. So it's been a long process as far as law enforcement agencies trying to arrest as many people as possible. However, one of the other issues was that serious impact this incident had on the residents or commuters in these particular 2 towns as far as their transportation is concerned. But Putco a week later had then deployed 50 more buses from their own reserve pool. So that gap has been closed. So we are expecting these 2 individuals to join their fellow colleagues in this particular incident, should they be found or should they be also available to appear today. So we are not sure whether then we will be able to officially start with the bail hearing proceedings, and that will all be dependent on how the 2 gentlemen explain their case, but also whether they will be taking up legal aid. And if they do take up legal aid services, then we can expect the court to proceed with the actual argument as far as the bail conditions are concerned. So we are expecting them to appear at 9 o'clock. However, so far, the court has not opened yet. All the people who are making their way to the court have not yet, gained entry to the court premises. But also we see them that there are some who've come through for other, basic services such as home affairs and social development service. So we're expecting the court to start at 9 o'clock. However, we are expecting police spokesperson to be joining us at that hour, but also the NPA spokesperson will be here to give us some more insights in terms of the charges. The charge that we are sure about is that charge of malicious damage to property. So we'll see if there will be any additional charges, set against these 4 men who are making their way here at the Siabuswa Magistrate Court today.